Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. In this video, I want to highlight two different types of chairs if you're looking for an accent chair but just want something a little different. The first one we're going to take a look at is the Panton Chair. So this chair was created by Denmark-born industrial designer Werner Panton, which you can see the chair is named after him. Now, as you can see by some of the beautiful images that are shown, this chair comes in a variety of colors. So of all the chairs that we're showing, they're going to have the same shape and they're going to be made from the same hard type plastic. It's a polypropylene type plastic, very hard, very sturdy. But as I stated, it comes in a variety of colors, so you can use it really all over your home. You can use this as a dining chair, you can use it as an accent chair, or even a chair in a cute little reading nook. So I am a big supporter of use what you want where you want. I truly believe that with my whole heart. I don't think that some random person on the internet or on a blog somewhere can tell you what to do with your home. However, I would say that the home decor styles that really fit this chair the most would be an industrial, of course a modern, even some art deco type homes would really just kind of fit in with the vibe of this chair. So if you like this type of chair, I have created a list on Amazon especially for you. I will leave some links down below in the description box. You can find some chairs that are really similar. Now, none of them will be the authentic Panton chair, which is pretty pricey nowadays, but you are going to have some really great dupes that I have put together for you. Just go ahead, click down in the description box, and you can see some of the examples that I thought were pretty cute. Alrighty friends, so I couldn't leave you with just the Panton chair, even though it is a style of chair that I absolutely love. I love this table that's showing. I wanted to give you something different. Enter the Swan Chair. This is also a chair I love, and it's actually a very interesting chair. So if you look at it, I know you've seen it before. This is a nice mid-century modern furniture staple. It's a great way to blend modern, contemporary, mid-century modern, like all of these different home decor styles in your home. So the Swan Chair was actually designed for the lobby and the lounge areas at the Royal Hotel in Copenhagen in 1958, as well as the ultra famous iconic egg chair. Now, I don't know for sure when it moved from hotels and really commercial type businesses to inside the home, but it seems like since it has, it's really been thriving. It's really been attracting a lot of home decor lovers because this chair is just beautiful. So when it comes to home decor styles, as I stated, this is going to work for mid-century modern, contemporary. It's going to work for modern, it's going to work for industrial, Scandinavian, even in some cases Japandi, depending on the color of it. This chair is going to be very versatile and extra timeless. And the same with this chair as with the Panton chair. If this is something that you're interested in, you kind of like the shape, I've comprised a list of examples down below in the description box. They aren't going to be authentic Swan chairs, but you are going to have a chair that has a very similar cut and design of this, probably for a fraction of the price. Go ahead and check that list out.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance.
So of course at the end, I like to show you some of my favorites or rooms that just really spoke to me. Be sure to let me know your comments down below in the comment section. I just really like these two styles of chairs. I especially love this room. It's very different, and I also see how people like to mix and match the chairs. Just let me know what you thought of them. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to actually watch this video. If you want to see a little bit more, check out this one or this one. Just hit one of the videos. See you in the next one. Bye guys.